Hi guys, this is Farid from Beep, and here's how you use Beep. It's extremely easy. So in order to create a comment anywhere on the side, on any side, all you need to click is Alt plus C if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, it's Option plus C. So for example, if I click Alt plus C, as you can see, I get this plus icon, and here I can click anywhere on the screen. For example, I will click here, and I can write my comment. I feel like this button is too small, so let's make this button larger. And now let's say I want to share this with my teammate, let's say our developer. And if he's already on Beep, I can easily tag him. For example, I can just click add, and then I can choose, I can write his username, for example, Dan. And if I click send, as soon as I do that, he will instantly get a notification in his browser and he will see this message, basically. Or if he's not on Beep, what I can do is I can actually just click copy link. And if I do that, as you can see, this is created and also a link is copied to my clipboard. And I can go and share it with anyone. And here's the link. And when they open the link, what they will see is they will basically see the site and also the exact comment here, and they will also be able to reply here and discuss this. So as you can see, sharing comments with anyone is actually very easy, regardless whether they are using Beep or not using Beep. Now, you can also add hashtags in Beep, and this is very useful if you want to save or organize things. For example, here, as you can see, I'm on this website called Does Illustrations. And let's say I feel like I should save this and I want to use this later in the project, for design. So all I can just do, just click, write a comment here and be like, use for the project. And I will save this with designs category, hashtag. And I just click send. And as you can see, this is saved. And in order to see all of my beeps, I can actually go to the extension. And when I open it here, I see the feed with all of the comments that I have written and also all the comments that I got from other people as well. And I can filter here by design, click enter. And as you can see now, I see all of the comments where I left the design hash. Well, there are only 2 here. And this is very useful if you want to do a research, save things, marketing, competition research, any type of research that you want to do, or just save anything on the web. And that's basically how I use Beep. So it's pretty straightforward. And you can go and explore other things here, but this is the main concept.